So, hello all. Today's group discussion topic will be 70 hours work week, practical or no. You will be given 2-3 minutes to jot down your points and then we can start the discussion.
Hello, my name is Devanjan Roy, and so 70 hours work week. I mean, it is feasible, but we have to understand the fact that at what cost. Uh, you have to understand that 70 hours. You mean that means for per day a person might be working for minimum of 14 hours. That will amount to somebody. Uh, I mean, somebody working for 14 hours a day, that's not something that is very practical. Uh, Problems like over exhaustion leading to somebody burning out. We all must have heard that adage that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. I mean, as humans, we are very social beings. Somebody working in the cubicle, spending time lonely, working for so long. Will kind of cut him out from all his social surroundings. Like it will actually be very harmful for his mental as well as his physical health. And we people like Narayan we have people like Narayan Murthy in today's day and age who are actually supporting this cause, like working hard, so hard, will lead our country in a better path, will make us a more developed will make us a more developed country. But we have to understand that it was true. He comes from a time when India was actually in a very bad place to begin with, but time has changed. We have to understand, like, things like ChatGPT and all other technological advancement that we are witnessing in today's day and age. It's kind of putting us or molding us into a reality that is which is very different from what Narayan Murthy experienced back in his day. And we have to follow people like Elon Musk or Sam Altman, who are actually in tune with the today's technological advancement, and does justice to current generation as well as the youngsters who are actually wants to make it big in today's day and age, which is far more practical than listening to somebody who is almost 80 years old and telling us that we should work extremely hard. I mean, we have example like the Japanese example. I mean, after World War II, the people of Japan wanted to work really hard to bring their society up. So, and what that has resulted in today is atrocious, because mental health is a huge problem in Japan, because people, they have that old habit of working extremely hard for 12 or even 20 hours each day. And things like hikikomori, this is the term where people are actually falling into depression and they are unwilling to get out of their own house. They will lock themselves out for months, even 6 months or even a year, and will cut themselves out from everybody, even from their own family. And these are the problems that overexertion and overexhaustion causes people to act in today's day and age. So I think no, it is possible, but I think that something which is possible is not necessary that should be done always.
Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Tiwari and I totally agree with what Devanjan said. As he mentioned that Japan, earlier people used to work for a long hours and they went to depression, stress and all. And now they are on the path that there is one term called Ikagai. They believe that the work life and balancing mental health is very important. I think we should also, as a country, developing country, we should also follow that path that Japan has accepted, the term Ikagai. So I think for me also that 70 hours work is not practical or feasible for any human being. So Yeah, that's it.
Alright, so as Pooja and
Devanjan.
Devanjan said, okay, I kind of don't agree with their points. I know that like to work 70 hours per week is quite like not feasible kind of thing. It has too many drawbacks too. But look, if a person is really ambitious, okay, we are currently boasting, like हम promote कर रहे हैं कि everyone should be self employed. ठीक है, जो न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं या जो सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट से जो स्टार्टअप का कल्चर वी आर लाइक प्रमोटिंग इन आर कंट्री दैट एवरी अदर पर्सन शुड बी सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड. तो for that thing to happen, so people will have to work extra. ठीक है, they will have to take new responsibilities each and every day. So if you are really ambitious, you have like great vision for your life and you want to do something really extraordinary, then you will have to work this much. So for the so so I would like to add this that for a specific period of time, suppose you are young, ठीक है, you are like in your 20s, then you can afford to work this much. So and this is like not that too bad. You can work आप इतना मतलब around 1 to 2 months तक continuously इतना work आराम से कर सकते हो, then take a holiday. This is my point of view, and I totally support this point that if you really want advancement in your career, then you should work hard and you should take new responsibilities. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Now I would like to take this conversation to a balanced one. What I heard from Divanjan is he was somewhat uh, saying opposing view of this statement. The statement was 70 hours a week. He said that per day, if we calculate this in a way, that per day we would be spending 14 hours a day. That is impossible. I agree with the points given by Devanjan, and as said by Pooja, that she agreed with Devanjan's example that Japan was somewhat a country who did it, and now they are facing the repercussions. Then Chanchal came with the example that if we are driven or not, and should we do it or not, or it is about our early age and we should put our efforts. My viewpoint is of very different, that this statement comes from a person who is already a boss of thousands of people, and I would like to bring this to many perspectives. If I am a boss, so I would obviously want my people to work little extra. At least if they work 6 hours, I'll say 7 घंटे भी हो सकते थे. If they work 7 hours, I'll say 8 घंटे भी हो सकते थे. But now flip the coin and let us see, I am an employee, and if I am working 7 hours a day, so I would expect कि काश मेरा बॉस बोल दे कि 7 नहीं 6 हो जाते, 6 नहीं 5 जाते. So both are not wrong, but both should understand their each other's perspective. And when it comes about development, growth, so it does not happen with one person's work. It will happen certainly with the teamwork. Otherwise, it will just remain a dream. I also wanted to add a lot of things, but I would like my friend Deepak to add on.
Hello everyone, I am Deepak Sharma. As Devanjan said, my perspective is that 70 hours of work is not feasible because it will hinder our productivity also. We cannot manage our work-life balance and see, it will create mental pressure also that will cause to health risks also. So that are some of my points, and all other things I have mentioned for us, Chanchal, Pooja and Devanjan. So but in my opinion 70 hours of work is not feasible.
Hi, my name is Gautam Shamra, and I am agree with Chanchal and Devanjan both. As Chanchal said, what type of work we are doing, if it is a startup, then if ये startup है तो मैं जो काम कर रहा हूँ मुझे पसंद है तो मैं 20 घंटे भी एक दिन में काम कर सकता हूँ या 15 घंटे, पर वो डिपेंड करते हैं मैं काम क्या कर रहा हूँ. इफ़ उस काम से मेरे को बर्नआउट हो रहा है, मेंटली प्रेशर फील हो रहा है, तो ये मेरे लिए गुड नहीं है. हाँ, जैसे देवांचन ने बोला कि इससे बर्नआउट हो रहा है, स्ट्रेस बढ़ रहा है, हेल्थ इश्यूज आ रहे हैं. हाँ, ऐसे इशू हैं, बट अपने को अपने काम को प्रायोरिटाइज करना चाहिए, एक फिक्स टाइम टेबल फॉलो करना चाहिए, एंड उसके बाद अपने को पर्सनल लाइफ का भी बैलेंस बना के चलना चाहिए। जैसे मेरी अपने को अपने फैमिली पर भी फोकस करना चाहिए, तो मे बी वी कैन बैलेंस बोथ। दैट्स माय पॉइंट।
So, as we heard what our colleagues said, I want to conclude that maybe we are driven or ambitious, but I think the employee or the employer both should understand each other perspective, and the employer should not force the employee to work so much that it should stress their mental health or physical health, or it should not I think I will say it should not उनके आई थिंक उनका जो फैमिली एंड जॉब बोथ शुड बी इन अ both should be balanced.
Okay, so I want to make this clear that it is very much possible to have a 70-hour work week, but as a society we have to also be cognizant of the fact that it has its own negative sides. So are we as a society ready to take on the negative side of the coin? Like we have people in the workforce, in the armed forces, in the police department, in the medical field, they do the same thing. And take example the scenario what arose during the corona. Like it was hell broke loose during those period. And even if you ask any medical aspirant or student who are doing the internship in any medical hospital currently, it is pathetic, the conditions. I mean, they even go to the extent of working 18 to 19 hours. They don't go home. They sleep in their own dormitory, which is present in the hospital, which is separately made. The conditions are very poor. That's a separate thing. But things don't come easy when the working hours are so long. Because we humans are very social animals. We work for a living. What do we mean by living? Being happy, being able to enjoy the fruits of our labor. If we only work and unable to enjoy what we are earning for, that's, I mean, what is the use of the money then? So I think, like I said before, just because it is possible doesn't mean that it's the right thing for us to do. And we have the example of other countries like Japan, which they will actually change eventually. I mean, something that has gone into the veins of the people, because they have been, after the atomic explosion and after all the backlashes that they have been through for so many years, I mean, habit wane off very slowly. And look at America. I mean, a superpower that they are, they don't have working the working habits of people are very, I mean, it's very chill, if I can use that word.
Okay, so a very good try firstly, everybody. Of course, overall if I see, as a group I'll give you the feedback, then individually, right? As a group I thought there could be more new points. The content part could have been stronger. तो थोड़े से हमारे पास नए points, fresh points हम रख सकते थे. काफ़ी लोगों के points repeat हो रहे थे. तो as a group वो आपका एक feedback रहेगा. दूसरा आपने भी notice किया होगा, अगर हम देखें, Dibanjan started the discussion, right? Dibanjan gave an introduction. Of course, Dibanjan was dominating the group. It came like that, considering he spoke the maximum, right? Or introduction also was like proper 2-3 minutes introduction. So why are we waiting? Like, we want people to give Dibanjan marks and not you guys. So you have to enter the discussion. You don't have to wait so long to take the entry into the discussion. समझ रहे हैं? आप लोग को 10 मिनट मिलता है, तो वो 10 मिनट में आप 2 बार मुश्किल से बोल पाते हैं, तो यू हैव टू एंटर द डिस्कशन फास्ट. इतना आराम से हम नहीं चांस दे रहे हैं, तो वो एक चीज़ था. इंट्रोडक्शन वॉज वेरी गुड. जो दिबंजन द कोटेशन ही मेंशन वॉज वेरी गुड, बट एक जेनरिक भी दे सकते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन. दिबंजन, यू कैन गिव अ जेनरिक इंट्रोडक्शन एज वेल, दो योर पॉइंट्स वर रियली नाइस. सेकेंड हमारा था आई थिंक पूजा. Pooja, you got a bit nervous, but that is okay. With practice, you will be better, of course. तो practice के साथ वो अच्छा हो जाएगा. और जापान वाला point जो आपने repeat किया, you could have given a fresh new perspective. तो वो आपने ठीक है, you are adding to discussion is always you are adding to somebody's point, which is good. But again उसमें फिर अपना एक new point add करना है, right? Then third one was Chanchal, I guess. हाँ, so that was like good, very good. आपने oppose किया, you gave fresh points. और प्रॉपर तरीके से एक्सप्लेन किया. सो इट वाज डिसेंट चंचल. और फिर हमारा फोर्थ पोरस यू वर रिपीटिंग एवरीबडीज पॉइंट. आई रियली लाइक द पार्ट वेयर यू सेड कि लेट्स आई वांट टू गिव माय फ्रेंड्स अ चांस टू स्पीक, विच क्योंकि लिसनिंग क्वालिटी भी होती है भाई. अब SBI इज नॉट लाइक ग्रुप डिस्कशन इज नॉट ओनली स्पीकिंग, कि लिसनिंग क्वालिटी भी जज होती है ग्रुप डिस्कशन में. तो दैट पॉइंट वाज वेरी गुड. बट अगेन पोरस द पॉइंट्स वर रिपीटेटिव. ठीक है, वो जो पॉइंट्स हम बोलते जा रहे थे ना, कंटेंट वाज रिपीटेटिव. ठीक है, मेंटल प्रेशर वाला पॉइंट बोला था दीपक ने. एंड बाकी फ्रेश न्यू फैक्ट्स अगेन वहाँ पे भी मिसिंग थे. गौतम, यू वर गुड इन एक्सप्लेनिंग. एक ओवरऑल जनरल प्रॉब्लम जो मुझे पूरे ग्रुप का लगा वो था न्यू पॉइंट्स पे डिस्कशन. बहुत जल्दी एग्जॉस्ट हो गए पॉइंट्स. मुझे लगता है कि देबंजन स्टार्टेड एंड गेव अ वेरी लॉन्ग पैराग्राफ, सारे एग्जांपल्स ले लिए, बट यू कुड हैव थॉट मोर उस टाइम पे. व्हेन समबडी इज स्पीकिंग यू आर लिसनिंग आल्सो, बट वो एक होता है ना कि आप थोड़ा और उसको ऐसा सोच रहे हैं दूसरे एंगल से, दूसरे पर्सपेक्टिव से, नए पॉइंट्स, वो मिसिंग था. ओवरऑल गुड, बट अगेन व्हेन वी आर डिस्कसिंग आई कॉन्टैक्ट एक दूसरे से हो, और व्हेन यू आर गिविंग कंक्लूजन इज नॉट योर पर्सनल कंक्लूजन, वो आपका एज अ ओवरऑल ग्रुप हमने क्या डिस्कस किया वो यूजुअली रहता है. हाँ जी सर.
यस, मैं दो चीज़ों पे बात करूंगा. वन विल बी द लीडरशिप, बिकॉज वी आर हियर फॉर दैट पोस्ट. अनदर विल बी कंटेंट. दोज टू थिंग्स विल बी फ्रॉम माय साइड. Like ma'am mentioned, the good leadership quality is that you should be a good listener. Okay, you should give chance to the other people so that they can talk, because you all know only 10 minutes is there, so हर किसी को chance मिलना चाहिए. So that's why somehow that quality was not that much balanced with this group, because we are as a group, we are as a team, and that team building was not that good. Okay, that is the first point. Okay, Debanjan took too much time. Even for the conclusion should be a one-liner, so that everyone should talk. So that balance should be there. One thing I like about Porus, that he thought that might be Deepak and Gautam will not get time. So he decided, okay, fine. First two people talk, then I will again put my points. That was a very good point. So we should focus on that. While concluding, I guess Mrs. Pooja, might be you were like not able to express yourself. So you can use your easy words. There is no need to use kind of a complicated word. Sometimes we are not able to express with those things. That will be the important thing. Then the most important point with this topic is that you know why Narayan Murthy talked about 70 hours? Do you know the context of that? I guess no one knows. You just picked that line and you just talked. His context was about the India's GDP. His context was not about everyone working for 70 hours. His context was about some fields required some extra push so that the country should be developed by 2047, which is mentioned by the Prime Minister of India. That was the context of this thing. And we took it in a very different way. When we compare with the countries like Japan and the USA, they're already developed countries. So comparison, I guess, is not that important. In this case, we should talk about the India as a country, as a group, and how we should develop. We should support each other. Work-life balance should be there, no doubt about that. And 70 hours is not every day, means every week. Like she mentioned, I guess your name is Chanchal, right? She mentioned very well that sometimes we should push ourselves and sometimes we can take a good holiday. That's called work-life balance. Okay, and this happens with every country, not only with India. So that thing should be there. Gautam, your points were really good, but I guess you got very less time. Deepak, you were not able to express. You had a very good understanding about mental health, but I guess again somehow you are not able to express. Then Porus, rather than repeating the points of your colleagues, I guess you should express yourself. That will be much better because repeating points took too much time of yours. So it's better express yourself. Debanjan, very good examples, no doubt, very good examples. But you should cut short your thought process because the team should get the time. Okay, that will be from my side. As a team, I guess you need some more time to improve because team building should be there, and that is the main purpose of this particular round. Okay.
I will just add, see, the Banjan has still done a good job.
Yes.
Now, if you see, he was the initiator, he still gets the points. If I have to give you marks, he's still done a good job. Plus, because he's taking the opportunity to speak. Everybody has got an equal opportunity, but he has taken that opportunity. So, that is the thing. But there should not be one person dominating the whole GD, right? That is the thing. So, otherwise it was good. One more thing, Dibanjan, one part which you mentioned about he's rather than listening to a 80-year-old, that could be a little disrespectful, so we can avoid statements like that. Okay?
Personal attacks should not be.
That we can avoid, that will be negative. Other than that, good enough.